Good morning, how are you? Today, inshallah, we're gonna take the second section of our rule, which is have, get, something done. And we call these two verbs causatives. Now, the question is when we use, or why do we use the causative verbs? Before we start, this title, causatives, it doesn't mention in your book, but you have to know it, okay? Causative, have, or get something done means causative. Now, what does this mean? Now, when we talk, or when we want to talk about something that someone else did for us, in other words, that the subject caused the action to happen. Again, the subject, the agent, caused the action to happen, but didn't do it himself. Okay? Maybe he paid or asked or persuaded the other person to do it. Okay? For example, look at this example. I cleaned my house. This means I cleaned my house myself. Tamam? This is the idea. But the same sentence, I can use the causative verb to say it in other words. Look here. I had my house cleaned. This sentence means that I paid someone to clean it. I didn't clean it by myself. No, I paid someone to clean it. Okay? So I am the subject. I asked someone to do it. I paid money for someone to clean my house. So I can say I had my house cleaned. Now you have to look at the structure of making these verbs. Now you have to put have or get. These two verbs have the same meaning, have the same position, but have is more formal than get. But you can use both of them, okay? Plus the thing, plus the past participle verb. Look at this example. I have my car repaired. This means I paid the mechanic to repair my car. I didn't repair it myself. I paid someone to repair my car. So this is we call have here a causative verb. Okay, now you have to focus on something, guys, that for example, the object or the thing plus the verb 3 or past participle, it is a fixed form, ثابت ما بيتغير. But you have to work in the have on get. So if the sentence in the present, so you can use have or has. If it's in the past, we change it into had. If it is in the present perfect, I say I have had. If it's in the past perfect, I had. Okay? If it is in the present continuous, بحكي I am having. If it is in the past continuous, مثلا I was having. If it's in the with the future, I will have. So guys, the object and the past participle, it's fixed ثابت. But you have to work on the first verb, which is have or get. We put it in the form that is suitable for the tense of the sentence. Okay, guys. So this is the idea of the causatives. We will do more exercises in your book. You will, inshallah, master this rule. Thank you for listening. You have to copy this in your notebook. Have a nice day.